Imagine looking up at the night sky one evening and noticing something strange, a faint, shifting darkness among the stars, a shadow that seems to grow larger with every passing night. At first, you might think it's just an illusion, a trick of the eyes, or a cloud passing in front of the constellations. But soon, astronomers confirm the impossible. Something enormous and invisible is approaching our solar system. And it's not a comet, not a planet, not even a dying star. It's a rogue black hole, hurtling through space on a direct path toward us. At first, no one can see it. Black holes emit no light. They swallow it. They move silently, leaving only their gravitational fingerprints behind. But gravity never lies. Slowly, subtle anomalies begin to appear. The orbits of distant objects at the edge of our solar system start to shift. Comets that once followed predictable paths now behave erratically. Neptune's trajectory changes by a fraction of a degree, but enough for scientists to notice. Something with immense mass is out there, bending space itself, and it's coming closer. When the discovery is finally confirmed, the world takes notice. Scientists name it Rogue 9. A stellar remnant, a cosmic vagabond that has wandered the galaxy for millions of years, born from the death of a massive star long forgotten. It's smaller than our sun in size, but far denser and heavier, carrying the kind of gravitational force that could tear planets apart from billions of kilometers away. Moving at tens of kilometers per second, it's on an unchangeable course toward our corner of the galaxy. Decades before its arrival, the first effects become undeniable. On the outskirts of our solar system, chaos begins. The Kuiper Belt, once a calm region of icy debris, turns turbulent as millions of objects are pulled out of alignment. Neptune's orbit starts to wobble ever so slightly. Long-period comets are flung inward, heading toward the inner planets. Even the Voyager probes, humanity's farthest eyes in the cosmos, begin sending back distorted data as the fabric of space around them ripples with unseen waves of gravity. Here on Earth, life continues as usual. The cities glow at night, people look at the same stars, unaware that something incomprehensibly massive is drifting closer with every passing year. But in the world's observatories and research centers, the mood is different. Astrophysicists understand that the balance holding our solar system together is delicate, and that a single gravitational intruder could undo billions of years of cosmic harmony. The countdown has already begun. If Rogue 9 passes near the orbit of Pluto, its gravity alone could destabilize everything. Planets might be nudged from their current paths, their orbits stretched and twisted beyond repair. Asteroids from the outer belt could be thrown toward the inner system, bombarding planets like cosmic bullets. Moons could break free, and smaller worlds might be swallowed whole by the void. Even the sun's gravitational authority could be challenged, as its planets are pulled away one by one. And if the black hole comes closer still, if it crosses into the inner solar system, the results would be catastrophic beyond imagination. Earth could be ripped from its orbit and flung into the freezing darkness between the stars, a drifting, lifeless world doomed to eternal night. Or worse, it could be drawn directly into the black hole's gravitational well, where time slows, light bends, and the laws of physics themselves begin to break. To the outside universe, our planet would appear frozen in place, stretched and distorted, as it vanished beyond the event horizon forever. Yet humanity is not known for surrendering easily. Faced with an existential threat, we turn to imagination, to science, to hope. Engineers propose colossal starships that could carry fragments of civilization to other stars. Physicists dream of constructing gravity engines, devices powerful enough to push Earth itself into a new orbit, farther from danger. Others suggest building artificial suns, orbiting reactors that could keep a displaced Earth alive in the void. For the first time, our species truly begins to think like a galactic civilization, because we have no other choice. We have always believed that we understood the universe, that we could measure it, map it, even master it. But maybe we've only ever been guests, temporary visitors in a cosmos that plays by its own rules. And perhaps Rogue 9 is not an enemy, but a reminder that everything we know, everything we love, exists by the fragile grace of gravity and chance. Some say the black hole is still millions of years away. Others believe it may have already passed close enough to alter our solar system forever, without us even noticing. Because black holes don't announce their arrival. They don't shine, they don't roar, they wait in silence, invisible, patient. And maybe, right now, as we look up at the stars, one is already looking back. In the cold emptiness of space, no one hears a star die. The end. Or perhaps just the beginning.